To enable or disable battery saver for POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select battery. Now go to the current mode right here, and then there's two options for battery saver. There's a standard battery saver, and you can see how much battery will last when you enter this mode, and there's also ultra one. The difference is when you enter the standard mode, it won't drastically change your device. It will just adjust a few different settings to help you preserve your battery. You can also do battery checkup to adjust that time even more. And if you enter the ultra battery saver, then your phone will change drastically. Your entire UI will be different. You won't have access to all of your apps normally. Instead, you will need to add them right here. And also it will enter dark mode. As you can see, it's just an entirely different UI. And it also slows down performance and etc. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.